Looking to earn some extra money in your spare time? Look no further. In this video, I'll reveal a simple and convenient way to make money by completing mobile-friendly tasks. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for some additional income, this opportunity is perfect for you. Say goodbye to traditional part-time jobs and hello to flexibility and freedom. Don't miss out on this chance to boost your bank account while working from the comfort of your own home. Watch now and start earning today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine having the flexibility to work whenever and wherever you want, all while making money. With Nevo app, you can do just that. Say goodbye to draining commutes and hello to financial freedom. Start earning extra money today. On Nevo, you can earn extra money on the bus, in line for your morning coffee, or during that commercial break by completing mobile-friendly tasks. Your work goes towards improving the AI technology you use every day. Nevo is a global community working to improve the artificial intelligence behind a whole range of technologies. Join and you could help create anything from smarter virtual assistants to more realistic video games or even self-driving cars. As a Nevo contributor, your work helps top tech companies launch new products, fight algorithmic bias, and launch and fine-tune some of the most widely used technologies in the world. Examples include identifying if transcriptions match their recordings and correcting any mistakes, identifying key people, places, and things in the text, and sorting images based on key characteristics, among many others. Payment varies depending on the task, but Nevo contributors average $20 per hour. To get access to jobs, you must link a verified PayPal account to your profile. To join, simply download the Nevo app on your mobile device and tap Join Now. You will then be prompted to complete your profile information in order to officially join Nevo. The Nevo app is available for Android and iOS and is compatible with iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Download Nevo app now and start earning the extra cash you deserve. In the end, if you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.